Forensic with Pastor Dan. We're going to do a lab today involving handwriting analysis. So the lab is right over here. And what it says, last Tuesday, Jerry from the famous ice cream company was kidnapped. The only thing found was a ransom note. The FBI sent the team with the ransom note because you're the most qualified to investigate. We're going to have 5 samples of comparison against the note. Now, what you're going to need to do is take your lab notebook, which I don't have here right now. You're going to take your writing samples. You're going to take a magnifying glass, so get some magnifying glass of some type, and compare it. Now, what we're going to do is remember those 12 characteristics: entry point, pressure, embellishments, style, diacritics, form, those lines, and compare each of those against the main structure. Now I'm going to pull my image off, and here is the lab, and then you're going to, after the lab, answer a couple questions. Who kidnapped Jerry? Is there 100% positive? Why or why not? Who has a sample makes it believe that they are trying to change their handwriting the way? And thinking of the t-shirt lab we did, is there any possible evidence that we can identify? Remember, write your conclusion. All right, so here are the 5 samples. Now, the letter reads, I have Jerry, and the secret new formula. If you ever want to see them again, please deliver a supply of Chunky Monkey to Maplewood High School. That's where I taught, room 204, by noon on Friday. And so there's the 5 samples from Mr. D, Mr. E, Mr. H, Mr. P, Mr. R, and there's the ransom note. Now, what I'm going to do is give a better view of each. So let's start with there's Mr. D's sample. And right here, where's the ransom note? There it is, ransom note. Compare those. Now, if you need to take a screenshot and then go through, identify different characteristics and think they're the same. All right, let's put D away. And let's get Mr. E out. Okay, so there's Mr. E's handwriting. Okay, put E away. And now we're going to go to Mr. H. All right, compare those up, spacing, things along those lines. Then from Mr. H, we're going to go to Mr. P. There's Mr. P's handwriting. All right, and then lastly, Mr. R. All right, so again, compare each of those against the ransom note. Which one do you think it is? Does anyone try to change your handwriting at all? And what other evidence can we do? All right, make sure you put those in the lab notebook. That's the lab for today. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. Pull the lab up back again so that you can finish it from there. Where's the lab at? There it is. There it is. So there you have it. Make sure you identify those things as justified as possible, because again, if you're going to present a evidence in court, we got to make sure that you can back it up with statements, not just I think, but here's why. All right, that's it. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. Take care. God bless. Bye.